So we're a regular at the MACH show, and 2024 has been a fantastic show for us. So it's a big commitment. It's a whole week away from our usual business here at the show, but it's really worth the investment. We've met new customers, we've developed relationships with existing customers, we've seen the people we need to see, and it's all happened here at MACH. We're going to be back. So if you want to meet the key decision makers, the movers and shakers in the manufacturing industry in the UK, you need to be here. We've booked the same stand for 2 years' time, and we're really looking forward to another great show in 2026.